Parentheses 5 plus 3 times 3 divided by 2. 5 plus 3 will give us 8. Then 8 times 3. Put it in our parentheses, then divided by 2. 8 times 3 will give us 24. Then 24 divided by 2 will give us 12. 12 is the wrong answer to this expression because we will not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction working from your left to your right in order to arrive in a very correct answer. Let's solve the right answer to this expression. First of all, we solve our parentheses. In our parentheses, we have 5 plus 3 times 3. Here, there's an addition and a multiplication here. This is where most people get it wrong because they solve their addition before multiplication, which is wrong. According to the order of operation, multiplication comes first before addition. So 3 times 3 will give us 9. Then we have 5 plus 9. We put it down in our parentheses. Then we have divided by 2. 5 plus 9 will give us 14. Then 14 divided by 2. 14 divided by 2 will give us 7. 7 is the right answer to this expression. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.